In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background in Microsoft To Do. A small tweak like this can brighten your workspace, make your lists easier to navigate, and even boost your motivation as you plan the day. Start by heading to the Microsoft To Do welcome page. Click the Sign In button to continue. Signing in is important because it unlocks personalization features and ensures your settings sync across your devices. On the next screen, enter the email address associated with your Microsoft account, double-check that it's correct to avoid any issues, and then click Next to proceed. Follow any prompts to complete the sign-in process, and you'll land inside the app. Once you're in, go to the My Day section. This is where your daily tasks live, but today we're here to refresh the look of your workspace. Decide which list you want to customize. It can be My Day, or any list you've created for a project, a goal, or a category. Picking the right list first helps you see the changes exactly where you'll use them. Open that list and look at the top where the list name appears. Next to it, you'll find a three-dot menu icon. Click those three dots to open more options, then choose Change Theme. This is the control panel for your background, and it's the quickest way to give your list a fresh look without changing any of your tasks. You'll now see a selection of color options. Click the color that matches your mood or the purpose of the list. The change applies instantly, so you can preview how it feels before you move on. If the first choice doesn't feel quite right, try another color until the background matches the vibe you want. Calm blues and neutrals can help you stay focused, while brighter colors can bring energy when you're tackling a big project. The change applies to the list you have open, so each list can have its own personality. That's all it takes to update the background in Microsoft To Do. It's a simple customization, but it can make your space feel more welcoming and help you find the right list at a glance. A quick tip, consider assigning different colors to different lists. For example, one color for personal tasks and another for work-related items. This adds visual organization and makes it easier to switch contexts during the day. And remember, you can change themes anytime. Your choice isn't permanent. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you add a splash of color to your Microsoft to-do lists and makes task management a little more enjoyable. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you won't miss future uploads.